Good afternoon. My name is Shaurya. I am the CEO of Rupeebit. This entire event organized by Money Control FedEx is a testament that we are as a society at a very important juncture where AI has impregnated all the roles that were in the industry, specifically the distribution and advisory industry. There was a time when people used to go to their trusted partners for investment advice. Now that partner has become Claude or ChatGPT. And it is very visible here when I go to stalls, the deep information that technology has done in every platform. It is no longer enough to just be a digitization platform wherein you could create your own website and this and that. The market has moved far along. Today, you as a distributor need to have all the AI tools in your kitty to be able to service your client well. Rupeezy as a platform has done phenomenally well, where we have created MCP servers so that you can just talk to your AI agent and figure out what's happening with the client's portfolios. Use our AI basket builder, figure out exactly what's the risk level at which your client is operating and what is the fund that you want to suggest. Now, FedEx has given us an immense opportunity to demonstrate that product to a lot of mutual fund distributors who are very excited to see our product offerings. I don't think it would have been possible to do a demo at this scale had we not participated with FedEx as a bronze partner. So hats off to them for giving us this immense opportunity.
Welcome to Money Control Financial Distributor Expo. So we have concluded our 2 days of, impactful panels and discussions that we have had. Today we closed the day with our last panel being on, celebrating the spirit of Women's Day, International Women's Day. And we had a panel full of women discussing, again, going back to the foundation, where they sort of iterated that it's one and all the same for both men and women when it comes to investor awareness and education, right? At a time when we have things like, people still trying to make technology a core part of their daily trading experience. In what ways are you looking at the landscape and how important are these foundations for you?
So, no matter how many tools we develop, the foundational education still remains a paramount focus for brokers like us. We constantly create content for all sorts of demographics to consume and be more financially independent than they were before. Having said that, it is sort of a worrying trend, in my opinion, that the rate of financial education, the increase in financial education amongst women should have grown. In my opinion, it has not grown that fast.
Okay.
Of course, all of us put in effort on that segment to also grow, but it has not grown very fast. So that is something that we have as an industry need to look at how we do it differently.
Right. So in terms of, how your platform is helping in innovating and improving that trading experience, whether it be women and men.
So we did a full program around education, that as a stockbroking or mutual fund app, there are hundreds of different terms across the products that we offer, like CAGR, XIRR. People don't really understand them. So we collected about 150 such topics. We created an AI video generation system to explain those topics in detail whenever someone wants to learn about them. And we place it in the app right next to the term. That if anyone has a slight hesitation about what the term is, then they can just look at that term. Now, this is a very basic thing to have done. The real problem comes when you are planning for your financial future. Now, the trend is that any sort of plan that you make, instead of asking an advisor, people nowadays are talking to their AI agent. Whatever, whether it's Claude or ChatGPT, whatever. The problem there is that the AI agent has no context of your current financial being.
Correct.
Right? Either you have to tell it to them manually and give them data, download it from somewhere and give it. So to solve for that, we created an MCP server using which any AI agent can just fetch portfolio, my overall trading behavior, investing behavior, and tailor make a strategy for me.
Okay.
That is the direction in which generally the market is moving. Everything is AI led. Some companies like mine, they are farther ahead in the curve, wherein they are doing context engineering instead of prompt engineering. But that's the general way people are thinking.
Right, understood. I really hope that our audience takes note of how even at the products offering end, we are trying to focus on adapting and adopting technology and AI, and henceforth they should also not be hesitant to explore the same opportunities that they have at their disposal. This was one of the key themes that was also discussed through and through our panels. To check out more of the panels, please visit Moneycontrol's official YouTube channel. It was lovely having a chat with you, sir. Thank you for being here. Hoping to connect with you soon. Thank you, sir.